Everyone, got an exciting unboxing video for you. It's been a month since I broke my arm and I've had this stupid cast on. And now I'm going to take it off and we're going to look at all the gross skin that's turning me into a lizard man underneath and see if it's healed enough for me to continue my bike ride. Conveniently, the plaster doesn't wrap all the way around, so I don't really have to go to the hospital to get the cast cut off, which is easy. And holy crap, it's going to feel good to have this thing off. Apparently, if I stand over here, it's a little better. There's one piece of the bandages. What's underneath? That's really helping me. It's kind of dirty on the inside, and it's also kind of flexy, which is probably not the best. Here you see my arm. It's a little sore in here, and it doesn't really want to straighten all the way. Although that could be just sore. Definitely dirty, gross looking skin. Yeah, it's definitely sore. See, definitely have some muscle atrophy. And it doesn't particularly want to straighten, although that could just be muscle. Sore in here. The muscles are feeling pretty cramped up. What's that? And then conclusion is, I don't know. Have it off and let it move around a little bit and see how it does. Try and get another angle here. And it doesn't want to straighten yet, but definitely see a fair bit of atrophy. Wait around and let things relax out a bit and see if it'll straighten eventually. Well, it's been a week. My skin is pretty much back to normal on my arm, and I'm actually holding the camera with it, so it's semi-functional. Anyways, it's still a little stiff. Today I rode 10 kilometers into town and back and found out that my bike did take some damage and getting things fixed a little bit. I got some
brake issues on my front brake. Not sure if I'm going to be able to fix it or not. And the back brake needs an adjustment, and my handlebars are kind of twisted, but other than that, nothing too serious. So hoping in the next couple of days I'll be on my way.